Welcome to SQ Tech Lab YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to create inverse video effect like this one. Open Adobe After Effects. Add your video. Now add a text layer. Resize this. Now duplicate the video. Apply the invert effect to one video. Select Alpha Mate on that layer. Next, select this video layer and the text layer and pre-compose those. Now apply drop shadow effect on pre-composed layer. Change the drop shadow properties as your desire. Perfect. This way you can create inverse video for your content. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, like this video and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned for our next video and take care.